Hey gang, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to productize your services. This is something that has really helped me scale my agency immensely, and it's helped so many of our members. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cormac Gray. I'm the founder and director of Dunk Agency. We've got 13 staff locally based here on the Gold Coast. We do above 100K a month, 7 figures a year. We work with e-commerce businesses, and we basically manage all of their ad spend and email flows and creatives from time to time as well. So yeah, today I want to show you how we basically looked at productizing our services, turn into packages. If you can productize and package up your services, it's going to allow you to offer on a repeatable basis that same service. It'll allow you to step out of offering that service and you can pass it over to the team. It prevents things like scope creep. It keeps things predictable as to what the deliverables are of each service. And it allows like steady income as well. You know, it's really great to know that you've got 20 clients, 30 clients, 40, 50 clients, all on, $2,500 to $3,500 a month, delivering X things, and it's just the same thing every single month. So I'm going to show you in this bit of a worksheet here today, basically how we do this. And there's so much more to this as well, like, how you can kind of scale up people as well, like how to add tiering structures to these packages so that you can grow alongside your clients, because obviously you want your marketing services to help their businesses grow. But basically this is how we kind of dissect it. So, this is like a full worksheet just of like how we kind of map out a couple of things. This is just taken from our trainings and then obviously how to tier it later on. But I just want to focus on this page for you guys. A lot of you might be offering individual services, and that's great. So like, let's say that you've got an agency and you might be offering Facebook/Meta ads. Maybe some of you are doing email. Maybe some of you are doing creative. Maybe some of you are doing like Google ads. Maybe you're doing SEO. So on and so forth. Like, hopefully you guys don't have all of these different types of services. Maybe you've only got like 2 to 3. I just want to kind of show you, like, if you have some of these going on in your business, how you can kind of package them up. So let's say you got all these services at the top. Cool. Maybe you've only got 2 to 3. Awesome. Still write them out. The next thing we need to figure out is like really work backwards from when we make these packages. What outcome do we want to drive for our clients? So within our agency, we want to increase revenue and profit. Awesome. So the next question is like, when you look at your agency and the services that you offer, again, it's your responsibility to package up and productize something that is like your system and your way of delivering amazing results for your clients. That's what we want to achieve. If I think about what the easiest way for my agency to do for our clients to drive them the best results, the two things we mainly always need is like Facebook and Google. Why? We want interest and intent. We want to be going out there and pulling people in, and then basically having those branded search and other search performance max campaigns for Google ads to scoop up those people that see the ad and then jump on to Chrome or Safari and look up that business. Okay, so I'm going to pull these two things in, and this is a real example. This is what we did within our agency. So I'm basically going to say, cool, the 2 platforms that we need for us to really be able to achieve revenue and profit growth for our clients is Meta and Google ads. It's what we get the best results with. So what we did is we actually called this the layout pack, and like 90% of our revenue is recurring. 70% of our recurring revenue is this layout pack. Again, it's our IP. We call it the layout pack because if you know anything about basketball, layup, it's like the easiest shot in basketball. You just finger roll it in. So that is taking that analogy into, the easiest way to get results, revenue and profit growth for our clients is just knowing that if we manage a Meta and your Google ads, and they obviously fit the right description and prerequisites that we need for our clients, then this is it. So cool. All right. So what have we talked about? We've got all these different packages. And again, you can offer all these individual services. I'm not saying that you can't do that. But if you want to start to explore things about, okay, how do I get the best results to my clients? How do I even increase the average client value as well? Packaging up and productizing your services. And then also implementing new things like now deliverables and inclusions in the price. That's the next thing. Okay, cool. So I'll move my head out of the way here. Deliverables. Like, what are the service deliverables? So there's a difference between deliverables and inclusions. Like, as an example, the main deliverables is like, so full management every single day on these accounts. Another deliverable is like a digital strategist. So like your main point of contact, your main POC, someone managing this account day in, day out. That's like the main deliverables that we're going to find within this layup package. Okay, you're going to get someone that has amazing experience, typically someone that has worked with, jewelry businesses, that has gotten previously amazing results for their clients. And here are the clients that they got the amazing results with. We're going to put this person on to manage your account. Sound cool? They're like, oh, that sounds awesome. It's exactly what we want. Cool. Inclusions. So the difference between now inclusions are you got things like reporting. You got things like weekly whips, work in progress meetings, daily comms. What else have they got? Inclusions, creative. If you do creative, so X amount of creative assets. Ooh, my handwriting sucks. These are all things like inclusions. Okay, so it's really kind of like the main difference is just like what's the main deliverable. Like if you're running creative or emails, your main deliverables are like X amount of emails or like X amount of flows or sequences. If it's creatives, it's like the main deliverables are like 2 to 3 hours of shooting, 10 video assets after that, and then all of the inclusions are like your revisions, your comms, your kind of reporting basically on some of those things. Or it could even be like the scheduling page for showing the posts so you can see exactly what things might look like. And again, like the way that you would structure it in our community, in our program, we kind of just let you download all of our packages and you can just see how we would lay out like the main service, what the key deliverables are, and then all the like fine print T's and C's, which are like the inclusions as to what it's gonna be around. Okay, so I hope this is kind of making sense. So what do we got? Your services, all the things that you might offer. Basically, we have this, but we want to turn it into a product. We want to turn it into like an actual package instead of just saying, yeah, we offer Facebook ads or we do email. What do you need? Let's just custom make whatever suits for you. We don't want to do that. We want to match our clients' needs to what we're prepared to offer. And prepared to offer is this thing that we're trying to build out, which we know is going to be profitable for our clients. Profitable for us. It's going to drive the amazing results that the clients are looking for as well. And there's going to be clear deliverables that we're going to hit and offer every single month, because if we can do that repeatedly, we have predictable work and we can actually scale a business off the back of that and add expenses to our business, knowing that we only have to do these things and we're going to get X amount of clients on this much of a retainer. It's going to produce this much revenue. We're going to be this much profitable. Like that's kind of how it all works out. So I hope this is making sense. All right, so we start off with the outcome. We work backwards from that. We just know that we need Meta and Google Ads to really generate and hit that goal. And again, this is one of many packages that you could probably make in your agency. So this is like our baseline. And within our baseline package, we have a tiering structure that people can grow onto it. Would they benefit growing their revenue or profit from an email marketing strategy? 100%. Is every single prospect that you talk with ready to jump onto both Meta, Google Ads, and email? Maybe they don't have the budget for that just yet. Maybe they want to get familiar with you a little bit instead of giving you everything they do within their business in terms of the marketing. They just want to kind of give you a couple of things. So maybe we can have our layout pack. Maybe we can then offer them 3 months down the line if we feel like it's going to be beneficial and something that they want. Email marketing as well in another package, and you can also bundle these things together. Cool. Last thing is the price. So a lot of you guys don't do this, but like set your average client value. Like our average, we have an average client value within our agency. What's yours? Is it 3.5K? Is it 6K? Is it 12K? Is it $1,500? Your average client value can be whatever you want it to be, as long as you have mapped out essentially like things like utilization rates. So how much is one team member going to cost you to manage a portfolio of clients? Let's say they have to manage 10 clients at 2K each. That's 20 grand. They're costing you $5 a month to run it. That's a 75% gross profit margin. That seems quite healthy. Awesome. We need to get every single person that we hire 10 clients at $2,000 each. Okay. Then when it comes to building out your packages, making sure that the packages are, having an average landing retainer for people that come on. Maybe they can start off at 15, maybe they can scale up to 2, maybe they can go up to 2.5 or maybe into 3.5. We kind of want to ensure that our packages with the pricing is sitting around this average client value goal, and also would match what our utilization rate metrics, like measuring how profitable our organization could be. We kind of want all that to tie together. So set an average client value goal for this package and make sure that when you add tiering structures to those packages, that you can scale it up. Cool. Awesome. Again, tiering, it's a whole other thing. Maybe we'll do another video. If you want another video about tiering structures, like how do you actually make your packages grow so you don't, I see a lot of people kind of have, maybe I'll just do this. I've seen a lot of people do things like this. Sorry, I'm going crazy here. You've kind of got like this conveyor belt, and you've got people that have packages with people, and then like the project basis, so the second the project's done, they just fall straight off. We've got people that, might have packages that they sign people on for, and they just kind of like stay on the same rate, like they don't ever increase. We want you to kind of have packages where people sign on, you get them amazing results, and then they grow within your agency. We have clients that have started off with us on $750 to $1,500 a month retainers, and then they scaled up to $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 because their businesses went from $20K a month to $1 million a month. Right? We scaled their businesses. We don't want to be managing a huge account that used to be tiny, now it's massive on the same $2,000 a month retainer. If we're getting amazing results for the client, and it's a fair trade, and it's a positive ROI always for them, then you want to make sure that your retainers can definitely scale up alongside their growth that you're helping them achieve. So, hope this video helped. If it did, let me know in the comments. And dude, if you want to talk to me every single week about building your agency and my team and learn actually more about these trainings and stuff, there's a link below. You can book in a call with us. We just want to make sure that, if and how we can help you. And if we can, we'll talk you through what it all looks like. And hopefully we can get started. We get you in the next week or so. So, good luck building your packages. Let me know if this was a helpful video in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.